welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing another unboxing slash try on, and this time I've got the YEEZY V3 in the colorway Safflower. Let's just get straight into it. So here's the box, your normal kind of Yeezy box. Notice it doesn't have the boost on it because these do not have the boost technology, sad face. But quite excited to try these on. For sizing, Yeezys can come up in really strange sizing in some of their styles. I usually get a 0.5 size bigger or even a whole size bigger than my actual shoe size. So I got these in 7.5 when usually I am a size 7 because they do run a little bit smaller. But yeah, let's get into it. Also, I got these for, I think they were roughly around £170. Through the Adidas app, you had to participate and do their draw, but I have heard this time round it was a lot easier to get. So I think many people got these shoes, which means it'll probably be harder to try, you know, make money off them. But anyway, let's crack on. So I noticed, first of all, oh, that sounds awful. So first of all, they have a spare laces, and this is because they have this weird lace thing going on. It's very futuristic. So it's like a sock really. You just slip your foot in and then you pull this to make it tighter instead of doing up your shoelaces. I probably would keep this on. So the shoelaces they've given in the pack are for if you actually wanted to, you know, tie them up. But I think I would just keep it like this because I think that's a quality about the shoe. So yeah, it's a very, I'd say alien shoe. I feel like this cage thing going on is very alien and very futuristic. I feel as well that this is a love or hate shoe. I know loads of people that really do not like this shoe. Don't know a lot of people that actually do like it, but yeah, I like it. So this colour is the Safflower colour, and Safflower is actually a plant. So they've created the colorways to reflect that plant. The colorway is a bit of a weird one. I think many people would struggle to kind of create outfits with this, but I think it would just go with like black clothes, and I own a lot of black clothes, so that's perfect for me. So I noticed they've got these windows here, which are actually for your feet to breathe. So they've got that either side. You can actually, I can see through them. So they also have this cage effect, which I guess is the main kind of standout point of the shoe. And then obviously they have this yellow little windows as well. So they have quite a thick sole, which is quite nice, feels good quality. Adidas logo at the back. I actually really like the gum of the shoe, the orange spots I actually really like, but shame, you know, that's not the main part of the shoe, but it is what it is. And then the color is kind of like beige on the bottom. Also between the laces, they have this silver detail going on here. So yeah, that is the YEEZY V3 Safflower. Obviously, it's kind of unusual colour for a pair of shoes, especially with the yellow. They do also have a glow in the dark feature, but it's not a huge, you know, glow. And that is on the cages bit. Shoe, a different shoe, and if you feel like this is something you could style, then I'd go for it. So guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you're subscribed to stay updated with all my latest unboxing videos, and I'll see you all next time.